Anna, you look bored.
I am bored.
What's wrong?
I don't know. I finish work, I go home, I watch TV, I sleep. That's it.
Every day the same?
Yes. Every day. I feel like something is missing.
Maybe you need a hobby.
A hobby?
Yes, something you do for fun, something you enjoy.
I don't really have hobbies.
No hobbies? Nothing?
Well, I watch TV. Does that count?
Not really. TV is relaxing. But a hobby is something you do, something active.
Like what? What do you do?
Me? I have a few hobbies.
Tell me.
Okay, first, I play guitar.
Really? Guitar?
Yes, I started 3 years ago.
3 years? You must be really good.
No, I'm not good. Okay, I can play some songs. Simple songs.
That's still amazing. I can't play any instrument.
You can learn. Anyone can learn.
I don't know. I'm not musical.
That's what I said too, before I started. But it's not about being perfect.
Then what is it about?
It's about enjoying the process, having fun, feeling creative.
I see.
When I play guitar, I forget about work. I forget about stress. I just play.
That sounds nice.
It is. What about you? Did you have hobbies before, when you were younger?
Oh, yes. When I was a child, I loved drawing,
Drawing! That's wonderful!
but I stopped.
Why did you stop?
I don't know. I grew up. I got busy. School, work, life. I just stopped.
Do you miss it?
I think I do. I loved it. I used to draw every day.
Maybe you should start again.
I don't know. It's been so long. I probably forgot how.
Drawing is like riding a bike. You don't forget. Your hands remember.
Really?
Really. And even if you're not as good as before, so what? It's for you, for fun, not for others.
That's true. I always worry about being good enough.
Everyone does. But hobbies aren't about being good. They're about enjoying yourself.
You're right. Maybe I should try.
Yes, try. What do you need? Just paper and pencils?
Yes, maybe some colored pencils too.
Perfect! You can start this weekend.
Okay, maybe I will.
What else do you think is interesting? Any other hobbies?
I don't know. What other hobbies do you have?
I also like cooking.
Cooking? That's a hobby?
Of course. Cooking is a great hobby.
But we need to cook. For eating. It's not really a hobby, is it?
Well, cooking for survival is different. Cooking as a hobby is fun. You try new recipes. You experiment. You create something.
Ah, I see. Like cooking for enjoyment, not just for eating.
Exactly. I love trying new dishes. Last week, I made Thai curry for the first time.
How was it?
Delicious. Well, mostly delicious. Maybe a little too spicy.
Too spicy?
Yes, my mouth was on fire. But it was fun to try.
You're brave. I always follow recipes exactly. I'm afraid to change things.
That's okay. Following recipes is good too. The important thing is you enjoy it.
Honestly, I don't enjoy cooking much. It feels like work.
Then it's not your hobby. And that's fine. Everyone is different.
That makes me feel better. I thought everyone should love cooking.
No, we all like different things. That's what makes life interesting.
What other hobbies are there?
So many. Sports, reading, photography, gardening, dancing.
Wait, reading. Is reading a hobby?
Of course, if you enjoy it.
I love reading.
See? You do have a hobby.
I do?
Yes, reading is definitely a hobby.
I never thought about it that way. I just thought I read books.
But you enjoy it, right?
Yes, I love it. When I read, I forget everything. I travel to different worlds.
That's exactly what a hobby does. It takes you away from everyday life.
So I'm not boring after all.
You were never boring, Anna.
Thank you. What do you read?
I read, but not as much as before. Maybe 1 or 2 books a month.
What kind of books?
Mystery novels, mostly. I love solving the puzzle with the detective.
Me too. I love mystery books.
Really? We should exchange recommendations.
Yes, that would be great.
You know, talking about hobbies is interesting
It is. Why?
because it shows who we are. Our hobbies show our personality.
That's true. I never thought about it like that.
And you know what else?
What?
Talking about hobbies in English. It's good practice.
Oh, you're right.
We use so many words. Verbs like play, do, practice, enjoy. Nouns like guitar, books, cooking.
And we're not studying. We're just talking.
Exactly! That's the best way to learn. Natural conversation.
Like daily English flow.
Yes! Like this. When you listen to conversations about real topics, you learn without pressure.
Because the words have meaning. They connect to real life.
Perfect. You understand.
But sometimes I feel frustrated with English. I know words in my head, but when I speak, they disappear.
I know that feeling. It happens to everyone.
Even you?
Even me. Yesterday, I tried to explain my hobby to someone. I forgot the word strings for guitar strings.
Really?
Yes! I said the thin metal lines on the guitar. The person understood, but I felt silly.
That's actually a good description.
Maybe, but it shows. We all have these moments.
That makes me feel better.
The important thing is, you communicate, even if it's not perfect.
Communication is more important than perfection.
Exactly. You said it perfectly.
Can I ask you something?
Of course.
How do you find time for hobbies? You work? You have responsibilities?
That's a good question. Honestly, it's not easy.
Right?
But I make time, even if it's just 30 minutes a day.
30 minutes?
Yes, 30 minutes of guitar, or reading, or cooking. It's not much, but it helps.
So you don't need hours and hours.
No, small moments are enough. Quality, not quantity.
I can do 30 minutes.
Of course you can. Everyone can.
Okay, I'll start drawing again. 30 minutes a day.
That's wonderful. I'm so happy for you.
But what if I'm bad at it now?
Then you practice, and you get better. Slowly.
Like learning English.
Exactly like learning English. You start simple, you practice, you improve little by little.
I never connected hobbies and language learning before.
But they're similar. Both need patience. Both need practice. Both should be enjoyable.
And both are better without stress.
Yes. No stress, no pressure, just flow.
Daily English flow. The name makes sense now.
It does, right? English should flow naturally, like a conversation. Like this.
I'm learning just by talking with you.
And I'm learning too. From you.
From me?
Yes. You help me practice. You ask good questions. We teach each other.
That's beautiful.
And everyone listening right now, they're learning too.
Do you think they have hobbies?
Some do. Some don't. Some want to start. Some stopped, like you.
If you're listening, what are your hobbies?
Yes! Tell us in the comments. We want to know.
Maybe you play an instrument. Maybe you paint. Maybe you garden.
Or maybe you're looking for a hobby. Maybe you feel bored, like Anna.
Hey!
I'm just saying.
Okay. It's true.
If you don't have a hobby, think about it. What makes you happy? What did you love as a child?
What makes you forget about time?
Good question, Anna. When you do something and hours feel like minutes, that's a hobby.
That happens when I read.
And when I play guitar, time disappears.
Does this happen to you? With any activity?
Write it in the comments. Share with us. Share with this community.
Because that's what we are. A community. Learning together.
Supporting each other.
You know, Lewis, this conversation helped me.
Really? How?
I felt bored and empty at the beginning. But now, I feel excited.
That's wonderful.
I want to draw again. I want to reconnect with that part of me.
You should, and you will. I believe in you.
Thank you. And I think maybe I'll try cooking too. As a hobby, not just for eating.
Yes! Start simple. Try one new recipe a week.
I can do that.
I know you can.
So we talked about many hobbies today.
We did. Guitar, drawing, cooking, reading.
And we talked about why hobbies are important.
They give us joy. They help us relax. They make us us.
They show our personality.
Exactly. And they give us something to talk about.
True. Before, I thought I was boring. Now I remember. I love reading. That's something.
It's not just something. It's important. It's part of you.
You're right.
And when you start drawing again, you'll have 2 hobbies.
2 hobbies. That sounds good.
Maybe 3. Maybe 4. Who knows?
Let's start with 2.
Okay. 2 is good.
What about you? How many hobbies do you have?
1, 5, 10.
There's no right number. Just what makes you happy.
Exactly. Quality over quantity.
And it's okay to try things and stop.
Of course, not every hobby is for everyone.
Good, because I tried knitting once. I hated it.
Really?
Yes, so boring. Just knit. My hands hurt, my brain was empty.
Then knitting is not your hobby.
Definitely not.
And that's okay. We all have different interests.
That's what makes us unique.
Beautiful, Anna.
Oh, we've been talking for a while.
Really? Time went fast.
Because we enjoyed the conversation.
Like a hobby. Time disappeared.
Exactly.
This is what we want. For you to enjoy learning English, not watch the clock.
When you listen to Daily English Flow, we hope you enjoy it.
We hope it feels like friends talking, not like school.
No tests, no pressure, no stress.
Just conversation. Just practice. Just flow.
If this helped you today, if you enjoyed it, please subscribe.
New episodes every week. Different topics, same warm feeling.
And leave a comment. Tell us your hobbies. Tell us what you want to learn.
We read every comment. We care about you.
Because you're not just listeners. You're part of this.
Part of our community, our English learning family.
Learning can be calm. It can be enjoyable.
You don't need to be perfect. You just need to try.
Like hobbies. Try. Practice. Enjoy.
Exactly.
Okay, Lewis. Until next time,
Yes. Same place, same warmth.
thank you for being here today.
Thank you for listening, for learning, for being brave.
Keep going. Keep trying. Keep enjoying.
We believe in you.
Bye for now.
Bye. Take care and find your hobby.
Or rediscover it.
Yes. Rediscover it.
See you next time.
See ya.